Hello student, myself Sri K. D. Borsesar, biology subject teacher. In last lecture we detail discuss inheritance and variation chapter content concept, Morgan's experiment showing linkage and crossing over, autosomal inheritance in that autosomal dominant triad, widow's peak, autosomal recessive triad like phenylketonuria PKU and sex linked inheritance. Now today we detail discuss one more concept including inheritance and variation chapter, sex linked inheritance, in that X linked or sex linked genes, color blindness, sex linked inheritance of color blindness, hemophilia, sex linked inheritance of hemophilia. So we detail discuss all this noted concept. Let us start. Today's first concept is sex linked inheritance. In sex linked inheritance include first concept, what is sex linked gene? Genes located on non-homologous region of sex chromosome are called as sex linked genes. Means sex linked genes are present on non-homologous region of sex chromosome. You know X and Y are sex chromosome. So in X and Y non-homologous region, sex linked genes. Sex linked triads. What is sex linked triads? The triads or character that are determined by sex linked genes are called as sex linked triads or characters. What is actual sex linked inheritance? The inheritance of sex linked genes, the inheritance of sex linked genes from parent to their offspring, called as sex linked inheritance. You know sex linked triads are on the X chromosome, X linked triads, on Y chromosome, Y linked triads. Example, X linked triad hemophilia, color blindness, Y linked triad hypertrichosis. So how such triad are inheritance from parent to their offspring, we detail discuss today's lecture. So there are two types of sex linked genes. Number one, X linked gene, and second, Y linked gene. You know X linked genes are present on X chromosome on non-homologous region, while Y linked genes are present Y chromosome on non-homologous region. We detail discuss X linked genes triad while Y linked genes triads. First one is X linked genes or sex linked genes. The X linked genes are located on non-homologous region of X chromosome, and these genes do not have corresponding alleles on Y chromosome. Means on X chromosome non-homologous region, X linked genes are located. Such genes alleles are not present on Y chromosome. Always remember, X linked genes are located on non-homologous region of X chromosome. Its allele is not corresponding to Y chromosome. you know female has 2X chromosome, so female genotype is XX. In female, two recessive sex-linked genes are required for expression of sex-linked triad. In female, two recessive sex-linked genes are required for expression of sex-linked triad. If one X chromosome carries a recessive gene for sex-linked triad effect, its effect is suppressed by dominant gene present on other X chromosome. Means the female with one recessive gene are carrier, means only one X chromosome present X-linked recessive gene, such female is carrier female. When both X chromosome on present X-linked recessive gene, then female is the such triad sufferer. Most of time female has carriers because only one X on present sex-linked recessive gene. The carrier female is physically normal. Always remember, carrier female is physically normal as she does not suffer from the disease or a disorder. Means carrier female is totally physically normal as does not suffer from the disease or disorder. X-linked recessive triads or gene create disorder or disease. Male has only one X chromosome, because male genotype is XY, so male has only one X chromosome. If X chromosome carry X-linked recessive gene for the sex-linked triad, then it is expressed phenotypically. Because there is no dominant gene on Y chromosome to suppress it effect, means X chromosome present sex-linked gene triad, so such person phenotypically express the character. But in female, XX chromosomes are present, so female express when both X chromosome present X-linked gene triad. If only one X chromosome present in female X-linked gene triad, such female is carrier. So here sex-linked or X-linked triad appear more frequently in male than the female. Always remember, X-linked or sex-linked triad appear more frequently in male than in the female. Means rare case female has both X chromosome on present X-linked recessive gene. Example, X-linked triad include hemophilia is X-linked triad, color blindness is X-linked triad or character, night blindness is also one of the X-linked triad, myopia is also one of the X-linked triad, and muscular dystrophy is also one of the X-linked triad. All here noted. X-linked triad or character means its gene present on non-homologous region of X chromosome. X chromosome is present male as well as female. So this triad is suffer male person as well as female person, but the male person more frequently than the female person. Always remember, because female express at that time when both X chromosome present recessive gene. If only one X chromosome present recessive gene X linked, such female is carrier. But in male person only one X chromosome. If the gene present on such X chromosome, the male person is express all this triad. Now we know that hemophilia is non-clotting tendency of blood. Color blindness means some color is not distinguished. Night blindness, myopia, short-sighted sightedness, muscular dystrophy, muscles abnormal function. So all these triads are X-linked triads. Now Y-linked genes or Hollandric genes, also called as Hollandric genes. Genes located on non-homologous region of Y chromosome are called as Y-linked gene. You know, X-linked genes are present on non-homologous region of X chromosome. Y-linked genes are present on non-homologous region of Y chromosome. Y-linked genes also called as Hollandric gene. Y-linked genes are inherited directly from male to male. Why? Because Y chromosome is present only male person. So if the on Y chromosome non-homologous region present gene, such Y chromosome is transferred from father to son. So Y-linked genes are inherited directly from male to male. In man, the Y-linked genes such as hypertrichosis. You know, hypertrichosis is one's triads present on Y chromosome, so it is called as Y-linked triads. What is hypertrichosis? It is responsible for excessive development of hair on pinna of the ear. Means on pinna of the ear, sin excessive hair grows. Such triad called as hypertrichosis, and such triad or character are transfer from male to male person, means from father to their child, because such hypertrichosis is Y-linked gene triad. So it transfer from father to their son. This character is transmitted directly from father to son. Up to this we detail discuss X-linked triads and Y-linked triads. Y-linked triads only one hypertrichosis. X-linked triads, you know, 5 different X-linked triads. Number 1, hemophilia, color blindness, night blindness, myopia, muscular dystrophy. We detail discuss in our syllabus. Color blindness and hemophilia are X-linked triads or X-linked genes. First one is color blindness. You know, color blindness is a sex-linked or X-linked triad or X-linked recessive disorder. Color blindness is X-linked recessive disorder where person is unable to distinguish between red and green color. Means color blind person unable to distinguish a red and green color, as both the color appear gray. Means both color seen such person gray, appear gray. So such person is not seen red and green color because color blind X-linked recessive gene present on non-homologous region of X chromosome. It is caused due to recessive X-linked gene genotype X small c. Small c means color blind gene, which prevent, means X-linked gene, recessive X-linked gene X small c, which prevent formation of color sensitive cells, the cone in the retina of eye. Means due to X-linked gene present on X non-homologous region of X chromosome that prevent formation of color sensitive cell cone in the retina of eye. So due to this, the person unable distinguish between the red and green color, both color appear gray. The homozygous recessive female means X small c and hemizygous recessive male means X small c y are unable to distinguish between the red and green color. Means female color blind person genotype X small c, while male person color blind genotype X small c y, and such genotype persons unable to distinguish between red and green color. The frequency of color blind women is much less than color blind men. Means frequency of color blind females is much less than the color blind male, because color blind gene appear in female when both X chromosome on present small c color blind gene, that is X-linked gene, but male has only one X chromosome. If such X chromosome present on X-linked gene means small c, so male person is express color blind phenotype, means unable to distinguish red and green color. So frequently color blind woman is much less than color blind men. Dominant X linked gene X capital C is necessary for formation of color sensitive cell in the retina of eye. For example, you yourself is not color blindness because our genotype is X capital C, Y male person X capital C female person, and such dominant X linked gene means X capital C is necessary for formation of color sensitive cell in the retina of eye, and such color sensitive cells are present in retina of eye. The person is normally distinguish red and green color. Color blindness. Genotype of male and female individual can be represented as follow. Here noted sex, male person and female person. If the male person is normal, so its genotype is noted X capital C Y, while female person is normal, genotype noted X capital C X capital C. When male person color blind, its genotype is noted X small c Y. Small c means color blind, genes present on X chromosome. So male person color blind, its genotype is X small c Y. If female person color blind, X small c, another X also small c. So both recessive genes are present on both X chromosome. So such female is color blind female, and one X chromosome on dominant gene, another X chromosome on recessive gene, such genotype female is carrier female. Here male person is not carrier, because in male person only one X chromosome on its colorblind gene, the person is colorblind. On its normal gene, the person is normal. But in female, when both X chromosome dominant genes are present, such female is normal. When both X chromosome recessive genes are present, such female is colorblind female. When one X on present, dominant colorblind gene, another X chromosome recessive gene, so such female is carrier female. Always remember, male person is not carrier. Here we detail discuss. Genotypes of male and female individual can be represented as follows. Color blind. Now sex linked inheritance of color blind. We detail discuss how color blind traits or gene transfer from one generation to next generation. One of the interesting example noted here, marriage between colorblind male with normal female. Marriage between colorblind male with normal female will produce F1 offsprings are normal visioned male and female. The son have normal vision, but daughter will be carrier for the disease. Such cross means colorblind male with normal female produce F1 offsprings are normal visioned male and female childs or offsprings. In that son have normal vision, but daughter will be carrier for disease. You know, carrier is also normal. So daughter as well as son are normal visioned. See here diagrammatic representation. You know, phenotype. Here noted color blind male cross with normal female. Phenotype male person color blind, female person normal, in between them cross. Genotype of color blind male X small c Y, genotype of normal female X capital C capital C. At the time of gamete formation, both gamete colorblind male are separated. X small c and Y are different gamete. Here also normal female X capital C are both gametes are separated, noted here. At the time of gamete fusion means fertilization, male and female gamete fuse to form zygote, and such zygote is developed into child. Here normal male person X capital C gamete unite with color blind female person X small c. Here the combined gamete zygote is formed X capital C. X small c means carrier female or daughter is produced. Another cross, normal female person X capital C gamete, color blind male person X small c gamete combined to form genotype X capital C. X small c means here also carrier daughter is formed. Now here normal female person gamete X capital C, color blind male person gamete Y. So here X capital C and Y means male person, means male normal person here formed. Last X capital C gamete combined with Y color blind male person gamete to form X capital C Y means here also normal male person is formed here. All these are the F1 offsprings or childs noted here genotype. First one is first and second are carrier daughter, so 50% production is carrier daughter from this cross and 50% normal son from this cross. So always remember, marriage between color blind male with normal female will produce F1 offsprings are normal vision male and female. Here all these noted are normal vision, no doubt here carrier female also normal and sons are no doubt totally normal. So sons have normal vision, but daughter will be carrier of the disease. So here sex linked inheritance color blind seen one generation to next generation means color blind father contain gene transfer from itself to carrier daughters. This gene transfer from color blind father to his daughter, here seen this daughter small c on the X chromosome, this daughter small c on the X chromosome. So such X chromosome small c gamete is transferred from father, means this gene is transferred from father to their daughter. So here daughter is carrier because of combination one X chromosome on dominant gene, another X chromosome on recessive gene. Same here, one X chromosome on dominant gene, another X chromosome in recessive gene. So the daughter is carrier. Now when daughter carrier female daughter marriage with normal male, so here noted marriage between carrier female daughter and normal male will produce female offspring with normal vision, but half of them will be carrier to the disease. Half of the male offspring will be normal, while remaining half will be color blind. So here noted diagrammatic representation seen, graphical representation, phenotype carrier daughter cross normal male. So carrier daughter genotype is capital C another small c means X capital C, X small c carrier daughter, normal male genotype X capital C Y. At the time of gamete formation, both gametes are separated. Here one X capital C, X small c, here X capital C and Y. You know that at the time of gamete fusion, fertilization process takes place. So here carrier daughter gamete X capital C combine with normal male gamete X capital C. So the genotype of seen here, normal daughter from these couples. Another cross capital C X chromosome from carrier daughter, Y chromosome normal male person. Here X capital C Y means here also male person, means son is normal. Now the next cross, normal male person X capital C gamete cross with carrier daughter X small c. So here genotype noted X capital C small X small c. Here seen the carrier daughter produce and X small c from carrier daughter, while Y gamete from normal male. So here X small c Y means color blind son produced from this cross. So here all these four are F1 generation, means from this couple F1 generation noted here. This one is normal female 25%, all of this. Here normal male X capital C Y also 25%. Here carrier female 25%, and here color blind male 25%. So here noted the gene transfer from carrier mother, this gamete here separated is transfer from carrier daughter to his son. So son is color blindness seen here, means inheritance takes place. Inheritance is clearly takes place here, one generation to next generation. First time these genes are present color blind father. So such color blind gene transfer from color blind father to carrier daughter, then such color blind gene transfer from carrier daughter to his son. So here seen son is color blind. Here seen in detail both crosses, marriage between color blind male with normal female. You know this one is color blind male on X chromosome, small c is color blind gene transfer from color blind male person to her daughter. Here both daughters are carrier, because such color blind genes transfer from father to daughters. So daughters are color blind. When marriage between carrier female daughter, such daughters marriage means marriage between carrier female daughter and normal son. Here seen carrier daughter cross with normal male. So carrier daughter contain color blind gene transfer from carrier daughter to color blind son produce, means son is color blind here seen. So from above example, these two crosses, from above example, it is clear that the X-linked recessive gene from colorblind, X-linked recessive gene for colorblind is inherited from colorblind father to his grandson. Means colorblind father, the gene transfer from itself to carrier daughter, and through carrier daughter colorblind gene transfer from carrier daughter to son. So from above example it is clear that X-linked recessive gene for blindness is inherited from colorblind father to his grandson. So here colorblind father contain gene transfer to his grandson. This one is grandson through his carrier daughter. So this type of inheritance called as criss-cross inheritance. Always remember, X-linked recessive gene for color blind is inherited from color blind father to his grandson through his daughter. This type of inheritance called as criss-cross inheritance. Means father generation the genes are expressed, daughter generation genes is not expressed, but daughter son generation gene express. So such inheritance called as criss-cross inheritance. Always remember, what is criss-cross inheritance? The inheritance of character or traits, the inheritance of character or traits from father to his grandson, inheritance of character or traits from father to his grandson through his daughter called as criss-cross inheritance. Most of time this question is asked, what is criss-cross inheritance? Inheritance of character or traits from father to his grandson through his daughter called as criss-cross inheritance. Always remember, all X-linked traits are criss-cross inheritance. Means same hemophilia show also criss-cross inheritance, myopia criss-cross inheritance, night blindness criss-cross inheritance, muscular dystrophy is also criss-cross inheritance, because these genes or traits are located on non-homologous region of X chromosome. So all these noted X-linked traits are seen criss-cross inheritance. Now come hemophilia. You know, hemophilia is also one of the X-linked traits because its genes also present on non-homologous region of X chromosome. So hemophilia is X-linked recessive disorder. What is hemophilia? Hemophilia is a bleeder's disease. Hemophilia is X-linked recessive disorder in which blood fail to clot or coagulate very slowly. Blood fail to clot or coagulate very slowly. The gene for normal clotting are dominant over the recessive gene for hemophilia. The person having recessive gene for hemophilia is deficiency in clotting factor 8th and 9th in the blood. Means due to hemophilia recessive gene present on X chromosome non-homologous region, the person is hemophilic, and due to hemophilic deficiency of clotting factor 8th and 9th in the blood, so such person blood fail to clot or coagulate very slowly. Even minor injury causes continuous bleeding. Even minor injury causes continuous bleeding. Hence, hemophilia is also called as bleeder's disease. Why hemophilia are called as bleeder disease? Even minor injury cause continuous bleeding. Hence, hemophilia is also called as bleeder's disease. When minor injury, the bleeding takes place, and such bleeding is not coagulate because in the blood clotting factor 8th and 9th are absent because of recessive gene present on X chromosome hemophilia. So such person blood is lost more or more, so such disease are called as bleeder disease. Why hemophilia also called as bleeder disease? Even minor injury causes continuous bleeding, hence hemophilia also called as bleeder disease. Which clotting factor deficient in the blood causes hemophilia? Yes, here noted 8th and 9th clotting blood factor deficient, and due to this blood fail to clot or coagulate very slowly. Why hemophilia is X-linked recessive disorder? Because hemophilia genes are present on non-homologous region of X chromosome. So hemophilia is X-linked recessive disorder. The recessive gene for hemophilia is located on non-homologous region of X chromosome. As there is no corresponding allele on Y chromosome to suppress its expression, so male suffer from this disease. Women suffer only when both X chromosome on present recessive genes or alleles. Means female person is hemophilic because of on the both X chromosome present hemophilic recessive gene, but male has only one X chromosome. When such X chromosome present on hemophilia recessive gene, so such person is express hemophilia, means suffer hemophilia problem in whole life. But female only one X chromosome present hemophilia dominant gene, one X chromosome present recessive gene, such female is carrier female. Now genotype, male and female individual can be represented. Hemophilia here noted XX male and female person. When male person normal from hemophilia, so its genotype is denoted X capital H. Y capital H means dominant hemophilic gene present on X chromosome. So such male person is normal. Female normal person genotype X capital S, H, X capital H means both X chromosome on present, dominant genes such female are normal female. When male person is hemophilic, X chromosome on recessive hemophilic gene small h, so its genotype is noted X small hy, hemophilic female X small h, then female is hemophilic. Here noted on one X chromosome capital H means dominant gene, another X chromosome recessive gene, so such female is carrier female. Here also noted male is not carrier because the genes are present on X chromosome only and male has only one X chromosome, so male is not carrier. When on X chromosome hemophilic gene is present, such male person is hemophilic. On X chromosome dominant gene present, such male is normal. But female genotype noted 3 types: normal female, hemophilic female, carrier female. Same we seen color blindness. Here also same genotype, color blindness, capital C dominant gene, small c recessive gene. Here capital H hemophilic gene, capital H dominant hemophilic gene, small h recessive hemophilic gene. Sex linked inheritance of hemophilia. We detail discuss how hemophilia genes or trait transfer from one generation to next generation on the basis of example. Here noted marriage between hemophilic male with normal female. Marriage between hemophilic male with normal female will produce F1 offsprings are normal hemophilic male and female. The son have normal hemophilic, but daughter will be carrier for the disease. Here same condition seen, color blindness look like. Seen here graphical representation, genotype hemophilic male cross with normal female. Genotype hemophilic male capital X small h y, normal female X capital H. X capital H means dominant hemophilic gene present on both X chromosome. Here on X chromosome recessive hemophilic gene. Gametes, at the time of gamete formation, hemophilic male person contain gametes are separated, normal female person contain gametes are separated. You know, at the time of gamete united means fertilization, normal female person X capital H gamete unite with hemophilic male person X small h gamete form genotype is X capital H, X small h means here heterozygous genotype is seen. So such genotype is carrier daughter. X capital H gamete from normal male, while X small h gamete from hemophilic male unite to form X capital H, X small h means carrier daughter is seen here genotype. Another cross X capital H from normal female, while Y hemophilic male, senior normal son from this cross, and X capital H from normal female, while hemophilic male person by gamete unite here seen normal son. So here noted all these are the F1 generation of springs or childs are noted. Senior first one and second one are carrier daughters. So 50% are carrier daughter while 50% are normal son. So here noted marriage between hemophilic male with normal female will produce F1 offsprings are normal hemophilic male and female. Here all noted F1 generation offsprings are normal hemophilic male and female. The sons have normal hemophilic, but daughter will be carrier. You know, carrier daughter is also phenotypically normal, but it's contain gene recessive, so it is carrier. So here noted gene hemophilic gene inheritance from hemophilic male person means father to is his daughter. So here no, this gene hemophilic gene transfer from male father person to daughter. Here seen each daughter contain the gene hemophilia, but the daughter is carrier because dominant genes are present on another X chromosome. So dominant genes are suppress recessive gene means such daughter is carrier. Here such daughter is also carrier. Now the another cross seen here, marriage between carrier female daughter and normal male will produce female offsprings with normal hemophilic, but half of them will carrier for the disease. Half of the male offspring will be normal while remaining half will be hemophilic. Senior graphical representation phenotype carrier female daughter cross with normal male. Carrier female daughter cross with normal male. Its genotype noted carrier female X capital H X small h, while normal male X capital H Y. At the time of gamete formation, both gametes are separated. Carrier daughter gamete noted here, normal female person gamete noted here. You know that at the time of fertilization, gametes are united. So carrier daughter gamete X capital H unite with normal male person X capital H. So here genotype is noted X capital H. X capital H means here the daughter is normal hemophilic. Second cross, carrier daughter X capital H gamete combined with Y gamete normal male person. So here son produce normal hemophilic. Here gamete from normal male person X capital H, carrier daughter from gamete X small h. So here noted daughter is carrier, and last carrier daughter gamete X small h unite with normal male Y gamete. So here noted hemophilic son produce. So all these are the F1 generation from this cross, means this couple F1 generation offsprings are noted here. Phenotype: normal female 25%, normal male 25%, carrier female 25%, and hemophilic male 25%. So here also noted, carrier daughter contain hemophilic gene, transfer from carrier daughter to his son, seen here. In the son present hemophilic gene on the X chromosome, so son is hemophilic. Here carrier daughter female cross with normal male produce female offsprings will be normal hemophilic. Here normal hemophilic female 25%, half of them carrier, here 25%, half of the male offspring will be normal and remaining half will be hemophilic, here noted. So up to this, how hemophilic traits transfer from one generation to next generation noted here. Marriage between hemophilic male and normal female, you know, here cross noted. Hemophilic male person contain hemophilic gene, transfer from father to daughter. Here each daughter contain hemophilic gene, but such daughters are carrier because on another X chromosome of daughter dominant gene present, so such dominant genes is suppress the recessive gene. So here daughter are carrier. Marriage between carrier female daughters and normal male, so here noted cross. Carrier daughter contains hemophilic gene, transfer from carrier daughter to son, here noted. So here clearly seen that the above example is clearly seen that the X-linked recessive gene for hemophilia is inherited from hemophilic father to his grandson. Means hemophilic father contain hemophilic gene is inherited from father to grandson through daughter. So this type of inheritance is criss-cross inheritance, means inheritance takes place from hemophilic father to grandson through his daughter. This type of inheritance called as criss-cross inheritance, same seen like color blindness. So color blind is also a sex-linked inheritance and or X-linked inheritance, and hemophilia is also X-linked inheritance. Up to this we detail discuss X sex-linked inheritance, color blindness as well as hemophilia. I hope that you understood everything. Do you know hemophilia is also referred as the royal disease? Hemophilia is also referred as the royal disease because it affected the royal family of the England, Germany, Russia and Spain in the 19th and 20th century. Why hemophilia is also referred the royal disease? Because it affected the royal families of England, Germany, Russia and Spain in 19th and 20th century. Always remember, Queen Victoria of England, who ruled from 1837 to 1901, was believed to have been the carrier of hemophilia. She passed the triads on to her 3 of 9 children. Always remember, hemophilia is also referred as royal disease. Now, review today's topic. Sex linked inheritance concept we detail discuss today's lecture. Sex linked gene, sex linked triads concept seen. X linked or sex linked genes, color blindness is one of the X linked or sex linked triad gene. Sex linked inheritance of color blindness we detail discuss. Hemophilia is also one of the X linked triad gene. X linked inheritance of hemophilia seen also detail. Hemophilia is also referred as royal disease. Up to this, today's lecture is completed. Now, very interesting example here noted. Arya show normal blood clotting, but her mother is hemophilic. Means Arya 100% carrier for the disease because her mother is hemophilic. So hemophilic mother contained on X chromosome recessive hemophilic gene transfer from Arya mother to Arya 100%. So Arya is carrier, but you know that carrier is also normal. So here noted Arya show normal blood clotting, but actual Arya is carrier because hemophilic recessive gene present on X chromosome and Arya her mother genotype is XX. Ramesh show normal blood clotting, but his father is hemophilic, means Ramesh total normal from hemophilia. So here seen phenotype, graphical representation, Arya carrier female cross with Ramesh normal male. You know genotype, Arya is carrier means its genotype is X capital H, X small h. Ramesh is totally normal means X capital H Y. At the time of gamete formation, Arya contain gametes are separated X capital H, X small h. Here Ramesh normal male, X capital H and Y are separated. At the time of fertilization, gametes are united. So Arya gamete X capital H unite with Ramesh normal Ramesh X capital H. So here noted genotype is normal daughter. X capital H from Arya gamete cross with means unite with Y gamete of Ramesh. Here X capital H means here noted genotype is normal male child. X capital H Ramesh gamete cross combine with Arya gamete H small h. So here carrier daughter genotype is produced. And when X small h gamete unite with Y gamete from Ramesh, so here hemophilic son is produced. Here noted all these offsprings are first generation from Arya carrier male cross with Ramesh normal male. So here noted normal female 25%, normal male 25%, carrier female 25%, and hemophilic male 25%. So here phenotypes are noted, means when Ramesh and Arya marries to form phenotypic F1 offsprings are noted. This type means 50%, 25% normal female, 25% normal male, 25% carrier female, and 25% hemophilic male. So solve the interesting question here. Up to this, today's lecture completed. If you like the video, then you can subscribe my BioInfo channel, tap the bell icon and like the video. If any doubt about today's lecture, mention in comment box. Thank you.